This is one of the waterfalls that we went to, and this was a rather special one because we got to go behind it, and you can see the people down there behind the waterfall getting quite wet. Isn't it marvellous?
Rather wet.
Foss, and it's the most powerful waterfall in Europe in terms of the amount of water that comes over the edge. And the river that feeds it comes from that glacier that we were at the other side of the island a few days ago. So it's one of the longest and largest catchment areas in terms of the river. Nice. Magnificent, isn't it? Foss, and it's on the same river as Foss. It's just further up the river towards inland area. It's much longer. It's not as steep as the other one, but obviously it's much longer, as you've been able to see. This is Waterfalls, yet another waterfall, and this is where one of the chieftains 1,000 years ago, through his pagan statues into the waterfall, when he converted to Christianity, and he was actually responsible for converting the whole country to Christianity.
Wow.
It's another good one, isn't it?
Here we are by the edge. Waterfall. Just a little bit of spray.
It's got a